So I'm like, yeah, let's go, boys. Like, yo, we gotta turn it up a notch. This for real. Like, ETX is real.
Yeah, why they want to be like ETX so bad?
Beautiful, bro. Where you tuning in from? Where you from?
I'm born and raised from Los Angeles, around like downtown area, so like South Central Koreatown. Um, but right now I'm living in Miami. But I'm out here right now in Los Angeles because I just had a recent newborn. So yeah, so we came out here to have my daughter, because my family's out here, and the reason why we came out here, I've been out here for 4 months already because um the last trimester of my girl being pregnant, like she can't fly the last 3 months, so we had to come out here. Born and raised out here in Los Angeles, but right now I'm living in Miami right now. Yeah.
Living in the yams.
Yeah,
Mm,
yeah.
living in the yams. Yeah, I
Yeah.
feel I'm not too far. And I'm in Boca right now, but I was really in West Palm Beach for a few years now.
I've been
Uh,
to Boca. It's cool. There's a lot of old money over there.
yeah,
You know
you're
what
right
I'm saying? It's a
about
good thing
that,
over
bro.
there. It's
It's a
fire.
lot of there's a lot of old money, and we're like there's this place like 15 minutes away from here. It's like a gated community. Houses there, like average house is like $4 million and above.
Oh
There's
dang.
13 billionaires in that community, bro. It's
Dang.
insane. Insane, bro.
The houses are crazy too. I've been seeing like mansions on YouTube and like in Boca and all this. I'm like, wow, that's amazing. Like, yeah.
It's a good place to be for sure. Again, like you said, it is old money. I've hosted a lot of events here, and that's what you find. It's
Yeah, yeah.
basically just,
Right.
it's like New York. It's like basically just New York just transplanted down here.
Right.
It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay. So and then Los Angeles, it's like by Koreatown. My sister was living in Long Beach for some time. Um,
Yeah.
to
That's
the
something for
Yeah, she's a travel nurse. I've been there. I go out there. I haven't gone there recently, but I've been out there maybe like 10 times since 2012.
him.
Woodland Hills. Got business partners out there. Um, yeah, man, just different areas, but around the Los Angeles area. You know what I'm saying? Some people
Yeah,
downtown.
I got family in that area too. Like a lot of
Already,
people was like, yeah,
already.
that's all that a whole thing is my playground. I grew up Long Beach, South Central, Compton, um, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? I've been here my whole life. So I was like, yeah, I've all that right there is yeah,
That's
it's my
beautiful,
playground.
bro. I hate it. Yeah, man. Well, how long have you been trading for, man? Like, what got you started?
Um Honestly, my big brother introduced me to trading when I was around 18 years old. Um I'm 23 years old right now. I didn't really started taking trading seriously until I'd say like 2 years ago, when I was like 21 years old when I started taking trading seriously. Um, yeah, I'd always see my brother like on the phone, like, just trading, and I'm just like, yo, yeah, I always tell him like, yo, what you doing? Like, I know you're up to something, like, what you doing? Like, and he would just tell me like, hey, yeah, like you can make money off from your phone, like just from trading Forex. And I'm just like, oh, what? Like, and he started making some good money, like to the point where he started paying all his bills off, just trading stuff, got a car and all this stuff. And yeah, I was just like, yo, what? Like me, I like money. So I'm like, and like, what I'm saying? Like it's from your phone. So that just sparked like a fire in me. And I'm like, whoa, okay, like let me see what's up with this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Ever since then, it's just I got really into it, watching a lot of YouTube content. Yeah, and it's just I don't know, like it's just something like about Forex. I think it's just like the freedom, that comes with it. That's what made me, I think, like, okay, like this is it. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to do Forex my whole entire life. But yeah, I would say like around 2000, like 19. was introduced to Forex and I heard what Forex is, and then ever since then, I never stopped working hard to, become successful off this Forex stuff, So yeah,
Awesome. Do you only trade Forex? Do you do other asset classes or you just focus on Forex specifically?
just Forex. And I only trade GBP, JPY only.
Mm.
That's all I trade. I'm, trying to push myself to look into other pairs, but as of right now, like when I first started trading too, like it's just GBP, JPY. Like I have not stopped, looking at that pair. So like, you know, me and GJ got like a serious relationship, because I know how GJ moves, and I've been looking like, at GJ for years already. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's just like, yeah, I feel comfortable trading that pair, but I do like, obviously, in this game, like you got to push yourself to the like the most you can, you know what I'm saying? Because this industry, it's limitless, you know what I'm saying? Like there's no, roof or like where you can just like there's no limit to this shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you constantly gotta push yourself to do better. So yeah.
I feel you, man. Do you do this full time? Do you do this part time?
As of right now, I'm doing this full time. Yes, I'm doing this full time.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. Well, now I'm starting to do it full time. Yeah, exactly. Because now I'm just like, okay, but like, I got funded, started withdrawing. Was like, all right, cool. Like now this is starting to make sense. And like, like now that like, I can see that I'm being more consistent. I'm like, that's just, it's motivating to see, to see it come through. Because man, I haven't been like, I just started becoming profitable like this year. So it's amazing, you know what I'm saying?
I
To
love
see,
it, man.
yeah.
So you just started getting profitable. How long have you been how long have you been trading with prop firms?
Been trading with prop firms, I'd say about a year and a half. But I really like they would do me dirty, you know what I'm saying? They would scam me and stuff like that. So I was like I would be passing, accounts, and it's nonsense, and I was just like, what? Like they would just take away my accounts. Like so I just had to keep rebuying, accounts and try to pass them and stuff like that. Um but yeah, I've been playing around with funded accounts for like a year and a half already. Yeah. But it's obviously, I'm failing you know what I'm saying? It's just like that. I was going through that, era where I'm like, damn, I was buying accounts, failing them, buying accounts, failing them, so I'm about to pass them and then fail them, you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta get funded and then I, fail it. But yeah, and then after that, something just clicked in me, and then yeah, it started like just catching momentum at that point, and yeah.
Gosh, well, how did you hear about us? How did you hear about ETX?
Uh, I heard from one of my mentors that I have. He shouted you guys out a long time ago. I think I was like, yeah, it was a long time ago, and I was like, okay, let me see what's up with these guys. And uh, yeah, Instagram as well. Like you guys will pop up as well because I'd like prop firms like photos on Instagram. You know when you like photos, like they start like on your news feed, a bunch of prop firms and all
Yeah.
that stuff. So yeah, it was just a bunch of firms, and then I seen you guys, and I was like, oh, like, I remember that. My mentor, he shouted you guys out once. So I was like, okay, cool. Like, let me see what's up with these guys, And he's, he said that you guys are reliable. So I said, okay, let me see what's up with these guys. Yeah. You guys are legit. It's amazing. I'm so glad that I found a legit prop firm. Makes me happy. You know what I'm saying? Because I know there's, potential traders out there that need this type of help to like take them to the next level, and that's amazing.
Well, I'm glad that we can support you in that way, man. I'm new to ETX as well. I've been I got started with ETX in May as a director of growth.
Mm,
I'm also the I guess the chief mindset officer for the trader development programs that we're putting out. So I focus more on like the mental states, emotions, after a win, after a loss, like kind of lessening the time that it takes to get back in the game after especially after a big loss.
mm,
Helping people find just kind of recontextualing the mindset. So, I'm eager to, we have a couple other payouts that we've had in the last 4 months.
Mhm.
Yours is actually one of the largest, if not the largest payout. So again, I'm really, really happy for you, bro. And that's why I wanted to get on this chat. Um, you know,
Appreciate
so yeah, your mentor brought you on. I think you got started with us in May,
it.
right? Um, like what did you enjoy most about trading with the ETX platform?
Your rules are very like it's very lenient. It's very like, you know, set in place. I like how you guys are just very professional when it comes to this industry. I love it. It's very smooth, very straightforward, very, it's not, there's no headaches, anything like that. So that's what I like. That's what I like. You know what I'm saying? Um, I love the platform that you guys use, like when you place the trades and stuff like that. Like that's amazing. I like that platform. Everything's smooth over here in ETX. Like there's no problem, there's no issues, there's no, and that's what I like. You know what I'm saying? Platform, like when you trade, like you guys are not like, taking people out of trades or stuff like that, or just any type of like, like some weird scamming stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like
Breaching accounts and stuff like
yeah,
that.
stuff like that. Like just know you guys are not on some like on a weird time. Like you guys are just very professional and like and yeah, it's smooth. Yeah, I can't complain, So I like it. I'm for sure gonna stay here for a long time as long as you guys are here. Yeah.
I'm happy to hear it, bro. We're gonna have a lot of cool features for people like you who are winning, man. There's gonna be opportunities to make money, more money, obviously more challenges, but also the opportunities to make money with us, right?
Right.
Which is a whole different conversation that we haven't launched yet, but it's coming out soon for sure. Fresh
It's
man,
just the
like
beginning, bro. I wanted to play it safe. Like I really could have like pushed myself to make really like 15K like stuff. I just wanted to make sure everything was legit because I didn't want to like, work so hard and then to not get a payout. But then, I was like, cool, let me just, little slight, 6K or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, shit. Now it's like, all right, no joke. We putting our foot on the pedal, on the gas, and we not stopping, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm excited. I love it. It's just so smooth over here in ETX, and I can't complain. I've been using other prop firms, and it's just not the same, like as ETX. So yeah.
fresh man. Well, you did I think you were on the two phase, right? The two phase account. You passed pretty. I'm saying I think you started in May.
Yeah, yeah.
I remember correctly. And then you completed phase two back in I think it was that wasn't last month. I think it was in July. How
Yeah,
like
July.
what was your experience with again going through phase one and going through phase two?
I went in with the mentality like, okay, cool, slow and steady. No rush, no. I'm not in a rush. You know what I'm saying? Another thing, like I wasn't, you know, stressed. I wasn't in that, you know, mentality where like, okay, like I gotta pass this account ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Like or like that urgency. Like I was just like, okay, cool, slow and steady. You know, create a plan. You know what I'm saying? 1 to 2% a day. Uh, and just follow my training plan, to be honest. And just, I was like, you guys don't have like an expiration date on the challenge. So I'm like, bro, like, it's fine. It could take a month, 2 months, but it's doable. You know what I'm saying? Like, you make 2% a week or 3% a week without sweating it, or being too much in the markets. Cause I don't like to be in the markets like a lot. Like, cause then I feel like it like fries my brain, like you know what I'm saying, like and it's like overwhelming with you know what I'm saying, because you can literally only take, you can only make two psychological two psychological like choices or like what I'm saying a day, like you know what I'm saying. This is like so it's like I don't really like to be on the markets 24/7 because then it's just like my brain gets all like cluttered and I can't really like see the markets and you know what I'm saying. It's just yeah, for me I tried to stay away from the markets as much as I can, but yeah, I just knew that okay, cool, just slow and steady, and I got all the talent that I need, and that's pretty much it. And just yeah, So I came with that mindset that I just relax and just, you know what I'm saying, follow the training plan and then yeah, just keep going, you know. There's no rush, literally, there's no rush. You know what I'm saying? I'm not rushing into my success. I'm taking it slow and steady, you know what I'm saying? I want to do everything right. So yeah.
That's dope, bro. You're doing better than most. A lot of people, again, they rush into it, like you said, they stay on the markets, they fry themselves out, making too many decisions. They lose a trade, they start chasing it. Yeah, again,
You're exposing yourself to that much, you know, to risk and to, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I feel like that's not okay, you know what I'm saying? Like, so personally, I can't do that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.
I feel you, man. Nah, I agree. As you can imagine, the conversations I have with traders, especially after they make, again, just dumb decisions and they start losing, and again, they show up on a mindset call. I'm like, okay, what happened, bro? Well,
Yeah.
this happened. I felt this way. You know, it's like there's always a feeling that kind of starts the downfall, the self-sabotage. So I feel you on that way, man. Okay. So you had a chance to use the rejuvenate feature as well, right?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, yeah. I forgot I even had that. To be honest, I was like, "Whoa, what?" I didn't know. I forgot like I had that option, so I used it. Just I was like, what is this for?" Like, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, but it's cool though. I like that. It's a good tool like option to use. You know what I'm saying? Psychologically too. You know, so that's pretty dope. Yeah.
Rejuvenate. We're trying to make it popular. We're trying to make it something that, again, if once we start making a little bit more noise with our marketing and branding and people start learning about Rejuvenate, I'm sure that other people are going to try to copy it just because, you know what I'm
For
saying?
sure.
It's just a good benefit.
Like, that
Okay.
just shows that you guys are in a good, you know what I'm saying, if other people taking your stuff, and that just shows that, hey, you're doing something right, you know? So, yeah.
Was it back in was it because you basically started you started phase one pretty quickly and you got it done pretty quickly, and then phase two obviously took you a little bit longer.
Yeah.
When did you use Rejuvenate after phase one, or was it after phase two? Like when was it? Like, do you remember?
I think it was phase one. Yeah. I think it was phase one. Yeah, phase one.
Beautiful. So
Yeah, it
phase
was good.
one,
Hmm.
rejuvenation.
Hmm.
Okay. So, you requested the payout, you said, let me at least test it to see if I can get something out here. You got your payout for six. How
Yeah.
was that experience of just requesting the payout? Like, how did you feel?
It was the best feeling ever, man. I've been wanting to do it, but I manifested all of this, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it just feels so good, man. Like, I've been doing this for like 2 years, like, day in, day out, like staying up at night, you know what I'm saying? Like looking at the markets, showing up for London, showing up for New York, you know what I'm saying? Like getting on like YouTube live streams and just like really just being on it, just, you know what I'm saying? Like studying all those countless nights, you know, it paid off and it's just, I, I knew it was gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? I just knew that it was gonna take a while, and you know, and I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it just felt so good. Um, yeah, because that was, you know, that was for sure my one of my goals. So and I accomplished it, and now I'm just, you know, I got a set plan. So, you know, it just makes me happy because it's just like wow, like now I can really start pushing myself to, you know, make more money with you guys, and yeah, like when you're a third grade and you know like the next day you have a field trip, you know, and you're already like packing up and all that, like and you're excited, like you know what I'm saying? It felt like that, like waiting for my payout, like oh damn, like you know, like that. That's how I felt.
I
Yeah.
feel you. I call it the gift shift. So
Yeah, yeah, it's yeah. I was like, man.
you're expecting that it's like that field trip or the day before Christmas. Like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
gift is here.
exactly. Exactly, yeah. So that's how I felt, you know, I was excited.
And just the overall experience of like how you got it, like because we're obviously crypto is probably the one of the best ways to actually set it up. You know what I'm
Right, right.
saying? This for so what was that? How was that process for you? Was it pretty
Smooth,
smooth?
smooth, easy, like butter, like you know what I'm saying? It was very straightforward. Like it wasn't stressful. It wasn't like, man, well, I don't get this. It was just amazing. It was one click, literally, and I got like my payout. The rest was, handled by you guys. So yeah, it was more of a waiting game. That's pretty much it. So yeah.
Feel you. So what's next, man? Like I know obviously you're looking to make some more money with us. Are you planning to scale up? Are you
Yeah,
are
I
you
just I just recently got a 300K account. I'm up 1.5 right now on that account. So now that, I got that, I'm like, cool, let's get it. So I'm about to do that. I'm gonna come with the same mentality. No rush, relax and do your thing, risk 0.5 to 1%, you know what I'm saying? Like to make, 2.5, 3%, just keep it going like that, you know? So that's pretty much it.
awesome, man? You about to get this? Did you buy Rejuvenate too or no?
No, not for that one. Nah, not for that one. I'm
Okay,
confident I don't need the rejuvenation. I'm on that one.
you just ask it.
Yeah.
Okay. So probably just keep on doing what you're doing, man. I don't think you need to change much, right? If it worked out, just
Yeah.
keep doing what
I
worked.
just gotta push myself to do better. That's pretty much it, to become more disciplined, more consistent. I mean, obviously you can always push yourself to always do better. So, yeah, I'm gonna, continue to do that. And yeah, I'm excited
Any
for this 300K. So I can have a 400K account. So I can merge it. Yeah. I'm really trying to scale up to 600K or as much as I can. My goal is 1.2 million, but in funded accounts, but yeah, little by little. Everything don't happen overnight, so slow and steady. Yeah.
That's a good strategy, bro. Slow and steady wins the race, man. Especially especially with trading.
Yeah, no, exactly, bro. Like I learned that the hard way, so I'm not rushing anything. So yeah,
Yeah, it would be great to have you as a seven-figure trader with ETX platform. That would be dope, man.
reason, bro. I mean, bro, I with the profits, yeah, but with the profits from ETX, I got this big mansion here in LA, like for like with my people. This is so dope. Yeah, it's amazing.
That's what
It
I want to
was
hear.
like a four-story crib. It's amazing with like a view of LA. Yeah,
Let's get it, bro. And the vision is there.
yeah. Let me see. I can show you. Look, yeah, here. You got the
That's you said you got that with just money from trading?
yeah from ETX profits. From the profits I got from ETX. Yeah, yeah. I got myself a little, 4-day here in this mansion. It's like I think it's a $4.5 million crib. Yeah.
It's a
So
beautiful view.
yeah,
Beautiful view, man.
yeah,
Well, let's keep making it happen, dog.
yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah, man. Shit, we got to, man. There's no limit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for that. Yeah. I'm just glad that you guys are legit and I found a legit profit and it just makes me happy, bro, because there's a lot of traders out there that, that need this and that can, benefit from this. So it's amazing to see you guys that actually want to see traders win. So respect to you guys and I love to see that. I like to help people win too. So yeah.
Okay. Is there any advice or tips you have for other traders that, so they can experience a reward like you're experiencing now?
Yeah, I would say take your time, especially with this industry. You can't rush, no process, you gotta, take your time and like just really like tell yourself that you're gonna be in this for the long run, because it's really like this game is really a long run, you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna become successful overnight or in 2 months or 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. Yeah, it's not impossible, but like, what I'm saying? It's like the chances of it happening is like very low, you know what I'm saying? Not, you know what I'm saying? It's because trading is a very difficult industry, you know what I'm saying? So, it's really not for everybody, but yeah, just, got to be disciplined, got to be consistent, um, and yeah, just risk, don't over leverage because that for sure will kick your ass. Just stay disciplined and stay motivated and think of your why, like why you started to trade, like what I'm saying, like you know, um, just a bunch of stuff. Like it's for me, like what like really like took me to the next level and like put everything into sense was like my situation, my living situation, you know what I'm saying? Like I grew up from poverty and I didn't grow up from money. So, stuff like that, like, motivated me. So just use your like your situation as a motivation. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like where you at, you know what I'm saying? Like, do something about it. But yeah, I mean, just to just show up every day to the markets, you know what I'm saying? Be consistent, have a trading plan, keep it very simple. Don't over try to complicate, this stuff and just yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. But yeah, just to stay disciplined and have a trading plan because if you don't got a trading plan, you just trading a trade like you know what I'm saying? Like you're not really gonna get anywhere. You need to have a plan for sure all the time. And once you create that plan, like you know what I'm saying, get in, get out of the market, and that's it. Or you know what I'm saying, you hit your TP or whatever you do, and that's it. Get out and you know what I mean, you're making money, that's it. Win or lose, doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and follow that training plan. That's it. And stay consistent and
Beautiful.
discipline and be yeah, exactly because that discipline, that consistency is gonna bring you back to, you know what I'm saying, uh, to be winning again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's
Okay.
my advice.
Would you recommend ETX to other traders?
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. Yeah. I told my buzz, I'm like, yeah, let's go, boys. Like, yo, we gotta turn it up a notch. This for real. Like ETX is real. So, you know what I'm saying? They got a funded account. They got an account, so they're starting to like, we're all just trying to just like get to it, So but I do recommend, yeah. It's fast, easy, no problems. I had no problems. So yeah, that's amazing.
Awesome, man. Awesome, man. Well, I'm saying that's pretty much the conversation. I'm sure if we get a chance to see you back in Miami and we could if you're open to it, we can have this conversation almost like podcast style too. Rent out the podcast studio, get right, look good, get on
Yeah, yeah, of
camera,
course. Yeah, yeah. Be a little bit more prepared. I just woke up, man. I know I was a little late. My girl was she was like, yo, you got this interview, you gotta wake up, wake up. I'm like, oh damn, like so I was like, oh, okay, okay, I gotta, wake up. But yeah, that's why I'm like I'm still like waking up.
You're good, bro. It's perfect.
Yeah,
Right. I get it. No stress. It was just a conversation, man. Awesome. Is it okay if we use some of the recording today? Cut it
yeah,
up, use it in a promo?
sure, sure, sure. Yeah, of course, man. I'm happy for it. Yeah.
Awesome. We'll edit it out. We'll send it to you so you can see what it looks like before we post it, just to
Mm.
make sure we get your approval on it.
Okay.
And then we'll get you in, hopefully we're having more and more of these conversations.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. Yeah. Next time we talk about this, I'm fun to 300K with you guys.
Yeah, man. And I think the greatest joy in something like this is having your boys too, especially the guys that you just told me about who are trading, who are funded. For them to have this experience too, man. Like we actually want people to have this experience. A lot of these prop firms they're banking on people failing. You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying? And for us, it's like that's not the point. The founders, some of the founders used to be in prop passing services. That's what they used to do. So they would pass the prop challenges for other people and just give the accounts back so that people can trade on it. So that was like the perfect business for us because again, we were helping people directly. You know what I'm saying? We're
Right.
helping them at least pass that thing. But obviously traders have their own habits. Some people follow the plan, some people don't follow the plan. So long story short, we want this to be a place where like, actual good traders come to. Because for us, it's less about the prop firm aspect, it's more about the evaluation side. And long term, we're looking to make this into a hedge fund. So, people like you can come on and actually like trade like with and for us where you're trading on our money, and
Mhm.
it's live money, not simulated
Right.
funds. Like it's real
Right.
money. You're getting paid a profit split for it, you know what I'm saying? And we provide you other services like, mentorship, one-on-one coaching, all the other things that we really, really want to do, which is kind
Amazing.
of counterintuitive for, it's kind of a conflict of interest for most prop firms, but we don't want to run like most prop firms for sure.
You want to stay unique, yeah, of course. I love that. I love to hear that. That's fire. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man. And again, a little bit more culture, you know what I'm saying? We're a little different than most of the prop firms. So,
I
you
like
know, majority of us, are Latino
right.
or African American descent. I'm Dominican. My both of my parents are Dominican. We got Colombian, Peruvian,
Yeah, that's dope. All right.
Panamanian. Like I'm saying, we're all of us are minorities
Mm.
on the executive team. So, it's a different culture, different vibe, and we're gonna start using more of that, adding that song to our marketing and our promotion and stuff like that.
I can't wait to see, man. That's fire.
That's
That's
fine.
amazing. Yeah. Yeah, man. I gotta thank God. At the end of the day, this just the root to all of my success, to be honest. So yeah, yeah. If it
I'm
wasn't
proud of you. I'm
God, I
proud of you,
wouldn't have
bro.
none of this. Literally, yeah. Man. But I'm excited, man. For real, yeah. I mean, yeah, yeah, just let me know. We can schedule something, and I'm gonna do it like a podcast style. Once I'm out there in Miami. But yeah, let's do it.
No, thank God you found us. We're grateful to God that you're on board with us, and yeah, man, just looking forward to it. I think I followed you on Instagram. I know you don't really post much, but when you post a story, obviously it pops up.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, man, we're proud of you, brother, and just stay connected, man. We'll see you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. For real, for real.
We'll see you in the charts, man.
Yeah, hell yeah. Y'all, you see me at the leaderboards.